And
Got to run.
everything looks
Oh
okay
no,
here.
bitches.
One of the new airfields died
I
on
became a
radiation
bitch
poisoning
magnet.
last.
Take a look around.
So this guy should have additional, yeah. He has some of these. BMG, yeah, he has a proper vendor chest. No, I don't want that one. Gonna take all of those big caliber rounds. I don't know. I can. Oh, missiles are expensive. I can take also these. Why not? That's so much money.
Thanks.
Week.
So again, I got
The ship's water is
a lot of money and
fresh water soon will all end
a
up
lot
like
of items.
Ah, I knew you would.
I'm not hungry, just wanna. Damn it. Okay.
Pleasure doing business with you.
And there is one more vendor.
Nice to see you again.
Oh, I just wanna trade. I don't need a fix. Again, not many caps, damn it.
A pleasure.
What the fuck was that? Radioactive gumdrops. What the fuck? Oh, perfect, there is a workbench. And I can put so many items that I didn't sell. This one, perfect. So now I have to put all those items to my lockers. Alright. Okay, let's begin. I can also, yeah, actually, I should wait, sleep one more day and go to Moira. So she opens at 9. How many hours is that? 20. Let's try. I hope.
It's good to see you alive and well, sir.
She opens at 9. And also, I can trade with the Dr. Hoff. And I can sprint a little bit.
Hey!
Yeah, luckily there is a workbench here.
Books
I
coming
can just
along?
take earrings.
Well, thanks to you. What's next?
I got my eye on you.
What's the same? Come on, I just want to.
Well, how do you feel?
You need to be patient. Yeah, she has the container respawn. BMG, okay, only one left. Wow, she also sells these. Yeah, no 308 rounds. Forgot to buy those energy weapon ammo from that other guy in Red City.
Good hunt?
I got so many valuable items.
Hey.
The night vision goggles, I got 14 of them. Okay, let's go to Dr. Hoff. And also I forgot to to balance those scarp metal pieces, I made four batches of those power armor kits, and I should have used 40 pieces of scarp metal, and instead of I used 12. So I need to get rid of 40 minus 12, 28.
Looking to trade?
Yep. Okay.
Thanks.
Let's see what happens if I give him those green. Those night vision goggles. I think those are added by FWE, yeah. Damn you. It looks better with those glowing ones, but those glowing ones, it makes no sense that night vision goggles should glow. It sure looks better. So now I'm gonna place the items I don't need. In the lockers. Okay, I can go faster. Like this. So fucking slow with that power armor. So, first thing I should... okay, I'm gonna put these rounds here, not to confuse. With 170 of those. These. The ammo I'm gonna put here. What the fuck are those? What? Oh, the good thing that I noticed that I don't have energy cells. What happens? Oh, I can sleep here. Do I get well rested perk? Probably got the note how to use it, yeah. I remember that I used it once. Press and hold the grab key while activating. How to carry it? Okay, I'm just gonna leave it here. I can gonna use it anyway. What's this? Field grill. Come on, just say what does it work. What does it work? Yeah, I think it makes some of that food that you can make. Like you have a meat that gives you plus 10% to your hunger, and then you grill it and it will give you plus 20%. That's utterly irrelevant. Water purify, what the fuck is that? Oh, I think that's when you set up and use, let's see. Angular sensors. What the fuck? Whoa, it takes also radix. What the fuck is this? Again, I don't think that I need it. I have only 80 reds, I have tons of those, by the way. I don't have tons, but I can afford tons. Okay, I'm gonna put those